So we're here in Jiabong. So they are now harvesting the tahong. So they get the tahong from the seed. Morning, we're here in Jiabong. So we're here in the town of Jiabong. So now we're going to Barangay MALINO. So further Kamarubuan. So we're gonna explore a new cave somewhere there in MALINO. So we're gonna bike going there and we're gonna hike going to the cave. And that's my companion. There are three of us going there. Going to Catalina. Fun biking. Jiabong. Catalina. Now we're going now to Kamarubuan. So biking going to Kamarubuan. It's more fun. Here in the rice field, very beautiful rice fields. Rice field there. Now going to Barangay Lulugayan. Then we're gonna climb up going to Barangay Malino. In Barangay Malino, so we just leave our bike here in Barangay Captain House. So that's Barangay Captain. So from here we're gonna walk going to Barangay JIDANAO. JIDANAO for maybe 30 minutes, not so far, going to the cave. So we're already walking here in Barangay Malino. So now we're going to go hiking for 1 hour, going to Barangay JIDANAO. JIDANAO. So there's a cave there in somewhere in Barangay JIDANAO. So we walk from Barangay Malino, going there for 1 hour. So we have a guide already in front of us. So that's our guide. So we're crossing the river here in Malino. Dalunot. Sige, agila kami. Dalunot. Hello. What's next? Oh. This is madness. Yeah. This is madness. So climbing up. Kaya na aga. Parayo pa, Barangay JIDANAO. Marami na, sige. So we're almost near the barangay. But we're still here in the muddy place. So we're still hiking.
Deadly. Legged. Kumakain yan. Woo!
Wala.
Di, pasok.
Oh.
Sigod Jiabong ni trail klasan ko ang tigaduha. Christina sir. Masuk.
So finally we arrived in JIDANAO. Na visit now Barangay JIDANAO. Sige nay. Ito ang kapitan nanay ha. Ira balayo kay masarit pa kita. Bayan dito kita bayan pakawanon kita ng kapitan. Oh, very nice. It's bottle. And they put I love JIDANAO. Yeah, very nice.
They also have a water. We're gonna visit that.
So we're gonna arrive now here in JIDANAO, Barangay JIDANAO, Jiabong. So now we go first to Barangay Captain. So we need to coordinate first to Barangay Captain for our purpose visiting here. Because one of my guys in Barangay Lobo told me that he has a friend that living here, that there's a cave here in this barangay. That's why I'm here to take a look, to check, to discover if the cave, and then there's also waterfalls that found in this barangay. So maybe, so that's why we're gonna take a look and document the cave and the waterfalls here in Barangay JIDANAO. Pwede ito mga pira ka oras kita itong lakad nga na cave. Sa ka oras?
Diri mausa.
Diri.
45 siguro dito.
Anong ngaran nito na lungib dito? Pangpang?
Tarangban.
Ano? Tarangban. So tarangban ngaran nga ito lungib. Sige.
Tarangban.
So we're here now in Barangay JIDANAO. So now we're going to Tarangban Cave. So they said it's walk about 1 hour walk going to Tarangban Cave. So we're already here preparing our things. The jackfruit. My favorite jackfruit. Here in Barangay JIDANAO. Very nice. Very yummy. Jackfruit. So now from Barangay JIDANAO, we're going now to the Tarangban Cave. So we have our guide. 3 guide going with us, going to the cave. 4 guide. So still have Kuya. So we have 4 guide. And we're having our lunch here in the farm. So we're still at our lunch before go to the cave. So the cave is not really far away. So we're here in the house of the lady here on the farm here. Time to eat coconut. So we're here in the farm. So we ate our lunch here. With ano panyaran mo nanay? Oo. Kabangbang.
Chinita kabangbang.
So Chinita kabangbang on this farm. So we're very thankful that we ate the coconut in her farm here. So that's the. So now we're going now to the cave. So now we're already arriving the cave. Tarangban Cave. There.
Bakit ba ano ka kaulayo na nakalimutan? Kaya nagbubuhay.
So the water coming from the cave. This is the entrance of the cave, Tarangban cave. So now we're gonna enter the cave. So there's like a balin sa sayaw. Paray na, patay na.
Walay ko tingin lang nga ng luho. Luho.
Kalusaran ta.
Dito na to dito. May luho.
Kaya pag dapat po, ikaw mo na lang, magluluto, pinatalo niya naman.
We're already going back to the back of JIDANAO. So we already visit the cave just above Hinadao, but it's only a small cave. So only source of the water. But the cave is only small and not so long. So we are not lucky today. So better luck next time. So we're gonna visit their falls in JIDANAO. Below there's like a waterfalls. So we're gonna check it out before going back to Barangay MALINO, because our bike is there with Barangay Captain House, and we still go biking. Nice view. JIDANAO. The Barangay JIDANAO is only there. So we're here in their waterfall in JIDANAO. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful falls. JIDANAO Falls. Okay. Beautiful falls. Now we're here in the top of the waterfall. There, so going down there, the fall. Going down there, the other side. Beautiful waterfall. JIDANAO Falls. So we are here in Pinabugturan Waterfall. So it's in the top of the hill. So we went down here in the river Pinabugturan Falls. Here in Barangay Sinagdao, JIDANAO. So after here, we're going back now to Barangay JIDANAO, and then we'll still go walking for 1 hour going to Barangay MALINO. And then from there, we're gonna bike again all the way back to Catbalogan. And it's rainy and muddy, but we already enjoyed. Already back here in Barangay JIDANAO, so we already come back from the waterfall there. So now we're having our snack, and then we're still walking going to MALINO. So we're gonna say goodbye to our guide. So thanks for guiding us here in Barangay JIDANAO. So we are walking now to Barangay MALINO because the time is already 5 o'clock. So still 1 hour to go. So hopefully we will not arrive in the night. We'll still go biking to Catbalogan.